Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Nissan Rogue S. This one's a Cayenne red. Underneath there's a 2.5 inline 4 pushing out 170 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 17-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Beige cloth interior. Come around back. Rogue all-wheel drive badging. Open up the tailgate. Got a set of all-season floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Coming alongside. This one does come with power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Start it up. Our media display. Rear view backup camera. Climate control. Auxiliary and USB port. Automatic transmission. This Rogue has 62,787 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Rogue S, check out feldmanimports.com.